here. This is Nitesh Kumar Bhatia once again in front of you, and today we are going to state about the physics. So before going to state about the physics syllabus, so what does it mean physics? If someone says that describe physics, what do you mean by the physics? So physics, if before writing the physics I am writing here physics, what do you mean by the physics? Student, physics means that something about the structure. So what does it mean of the structure? Structure means that the structure of a body. Whenever you are physically seeing a body, what you are observing? You are observing that the body is how much tall, what is its shape, what its color. So these all observations give the structure of a body, and that is known as physics of that body. So physics, if I am writing here the physics is a branch of science which deals with the structure of a body, which gives complete description, complete physical behavior of that body. Suppose if I am having an apple, here an apple I have drawn. So what you can observe here, the apple is reddish in color, so the color of the apple is red. It is hard in touch, okay, hard in touch. It is having the finite shape. It is having finite shape. Whether it may be two-dimensional or three-dimensional shapes are there. Its taste is sweet, okay, and it belongs from the family of the fruits. So what these all observations give? These all observations give us the physical behavior of a particular thing. So a branch of physics which deals with the physical behavior of an object is known as physics. Okay. So here I have written elementary mathematics. What is the use of the mathematics in our daily life? Students, physics and mathematics plays a vast role in our daily life, because a lots of time we are facing a lots of problem, a lots of different circumstances in front of us, and these happen suddenly. So in those circumstances, in those critical conditions, how we can react? So mathematics and physics develops, enhance in our own brain a logical brain, okay, a logical concept to deal with those problems. So here are some elementary mathematics is listed for the physics which I am going to state about. Let's see what are those elementary mathematics, okay. So student, there are lots of things we have to study, but I am going to state from the basics. Here the things I am writing, that is a variable, and the next thing which I am writing is constant. What do you mean by the variable quantities and the constant? So first you know constant. Constant are those quantities whose value does not changes, like the numeric value 7, 10, 20, 2000, 2 billion, whatever be the values which are chosen is a constant values whose value is not going to be changed. Whereas variables are those quantities whose value may vary. Like let us suppose that if we are having some alphabets X, Y and Z, or someone says that no sir, choose A, B and C, whatever be the values we can arbitrarily choose. Here someone says sir, write X is equals to 1, Y is equals to 12 and Z is equals to 19. Then another student says that no sir, just choose A is equals to 14, B is equals to 12 and C is equals to 18. So what here you can see that the values of X is equals to 1, one student choose X is equals to 1, Y is equals to 12 and Z is equals to 19. X is equals to another choose X is equals to 14, Y is equals to 12 and Z is equals to 18. So the quantities whose values got changed or may vary are said to be the variables, okay. Why I am going to state these variable and constant? Because in mathematics we are going to deal with the several equations. So what are those equations? So the equations are like that. If an equation arises in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Here, if we put x is equals to 7, a is equals to 7, b is equals to 4, and c is equals to 16. So an equation arises 7x plus 4y plus 16 is equals to 0. What we have observed from here? Here a, b and c are the variables. Okay, ax plus by plus c. Okay, what you can see here? Here what you have observed? We have observed that here the power of x is y, here the power of y is 1, here the power of x is 1 and power of y is also 1. So whatever the values, their maximum power is 1. If an equation whose maximum power is 1, here what we can observe here, 7x to the power 1, 4y to the power 1. So if an equation arises whose maximum power is 1, is said to be the linear equation. Okay, linear equation whose maximum degree or maximum power is 1, whereas an equation whose the power of the variable is 2. Like I am writing here an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Okay, so what we can observe from here? Here the equation is in x, ax square plus bx plus c. So here the power of x is, maximum power of the x is 2. Here the power of x is 1 also and 2 also. The maximum power of equation is 2. So here we can say that this is the 2 degree equation, which is also known as the maximum power of the equation is 2. So such type of the equation is said to be the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. So if such type of the equation may arise in front of you, how to find out the values of x? Okay, so there is a easiest method to find out the roots of the quadratic equation. So finding out the roots of the quadratic equation, the formula is given as x is equals to yx, because we are going to find out the roots of x. So x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now just we are going to discuss with one example. Okay students, so I am writing here a equation and we will find out the root of the given equation. So I am writing an equation, quadratic equation is given as 2x square plus 4x plus 8 is equals to 0. Why we are saying that this is a quadratic equation? Because here the variable is x and maximum power of x is 2. So this is a quadratic equation. Here a is equals to 2, b is equals to 4 and c is equals to 8. Okay, so whatever be the value of a, b and c. Now we are going to find out the value of x. So x is equals to minus, we put the sign of minus as here I have enlisted the formula. Okay, so minus b, here b is 4 plus minus under root b square means 4 square minus 2 into a is what? 2 and c is what? B. Is it b square? Then minus 4, here I have to write 4. 4, a is equals to 2 and c is equals to 8 upon 2a, a is 2. So what is that? Minus 4 plus minus 4 4s are 16 minus 4 2s are 8 and 8 8s are 64 upon 4. Now we can find out the its simplest form. 64 minus 16, what it will be? The students tell me. 52 क्या होगा जवाब? So 64 minus 16, that is here 14 minus 6, 8, and 5 minus 1, 4, 48. So it will be 48 minus 4 plus minus under root 48 upon 4. So here may be the two value of x. The one value of x will be x is equals to minus 4 plus under root 48 upon 4. Okay. Or the next value is x is equals to minus 4 minus under root 48 upon 4. Because why the two solutions of x is there? Because x is having the power 2. If x is having the power 3, it will give the 3 values of x. Okay. So there are lots of things to study about, that is quadratic equation, cubic equation, exponential formulation, and logarithm are lots of elementary parts of the mathematics which we all have to deal with. So in the next lecture we will discuss about the next part. So keep watching the videos and keep trying, and whatever be the problems you may ask. Okay, so